Hey chef.
Hey mate, good steak, right? You don't want to spoil it by putting too much seasoning. Little bit of oil. Like that. Some people put garlic, all these smoking rubs. Not for good steak, mate. That's like having really expensive scotch with Coke.
Who does that?
Nobody with Merak. All you do, a little bit of salt, pepper. Beautiful. Switch it around. Now, what's important? Once you do it, you give it some love. All right, let it spread. Let it spread.
Washed hands and everything.
And I use the
Old cloth.
old cloth. Beautiful. Now you change them. Change sides. You wash your hands. Otherwise, you get divorced. Look at this thickness. See the marbling? A lot of fat here. I was going to take it off, but we'll see how it goes with it. A little bit way too much fat, but we'll see how it goes. Switch these around.
Will that be enough? Will that be enough steaks?
For 3 of us, should.
Okay.
But we've got some other stuff if we fall short. Very important. When you finish washing your hands, you use old cloth, okay?
But clean. Old but clean.
Old but clean. And not new cloth. Wife has a heart attack, right?
Happy wife,
Yes.
safe life.
So, old cloth.
Old cloth.
Probably the most important thing you'll do when you make the steak. That mistake can cost you the most. Oil, so it makes it nice and thick. Salt. If you have kosher salt, even better. But we don't, so we'll just make do. That's it. Good as gold. So this method is called reverse sear. Start from over here. You put it over here for about 20 minutes till the temperature reaches about 60. 60 is rare, right? We have it over there at 47 at the moment. Once it hits 60, we chuck it here on fire for no longer than 2 minutes. And you will see now. We'll let it rest for a second. A little bit of salt, nothing else. So about right, it should rest for a couple of minutes. Look at the moisture just dripping out of it. So this will be considered medium. We'll do one that's rare next.
Which one do you prefer, chef?
Rare. Really rare, even blue sometimes. So see this? Look at the moisture. Look. Try. Our guest of honor. Huh? No.
Wow. One more. Succulent.
Succulent.